Dear friends, I thought I would share something very simple, informal, and personal about our beloved Father Nicholas Adolfo. My first connect with him goes back to 1995. When I went to Manila in 1995 to study, the Jesuits and the non Jesuits, and very particularly some lay people, used to speak about him. They spoke very highly of his efficient, participatory, servant leadership style, of his infectious humor, of his simple but profound wisdom. But most of all, they loved him for his being human. They said he was a very simple, transparent, pure, genuine, and a free human person who put everyone at ease in his presence, by his words and deeds. I wanted to meet him. Lo and behold, the first connect at the level of desire was materialized when he called me to Rome in 2012. When I met him, something happened between us, and definitely it did not take very long time to be familiar with him. Given his simple and friendly nature, he put everyone at ease. With me, he began baptizing me with different names. He called me Ambu, like all the others in the Kuria. Then in some time, he called me Ambulanza. He called me Ambiente. He called me Ambush. This is how he puts people at ease, that nobody can feel out of place in his presence. One would see him rushing, in fact running along the unendingly long corridor of the Kuria. And if you happen to be in front, you move out, giving way to him because he was in a hurry, maybe because he was a bit late to a meeting. But he would stop and come to you, whisper something into your ear, usually a wit or a joke. This is how nobody could escape his attention. He paid personal, intentional, and intense attention and care to everyone who was in front of him. Coraggio was the word I heard most from his mouth, meaning courage. Take courage. And every time we met or saw on the corridor, in the dining hall, the initial days of my life in the Kuria, he said, Coraggio Ambu, take courage, don't be in a hurry to get settled. These words of courage and support would not leave anyone except growing in his presence. In yoga, the commonest component is deep, slow breathing, which is becoming more and more important today, emphasized more today, to increase the immunity in order to befriend the pandemic, the corona. And living with Nicholas was an experience of breathing in slowly and deeply. His genuine and authentic being as a human person would increase, strengthen, improve the immunity of your heart and soul. Definitely, Nico, as he was called lovingly, was one of the most finest human persons I have met in my life. I am deeply grateful to him, grateful to God, and may his soul rest in peace.
जलधि तोय युग युग थी रे झूर्या हेत वहावी पुरुष हुपे अनंत काल थी वरस्या कृपा पर कृपा कीधी कृपा पर कृपा कीधी तोय हम आगागर खाली कृपा पर कृपा कीधी प्रभु जी आपनी अमर वाणी कदी न जाए ढाली अमृत धारा वहे छे तोय युग युग थी रे तड़प्या हेत वहावी पुरुष हुपे अनंत काल थी वरस्या पापनी माफी देवा काजे पापनी माफी देवा काजे प्रेम थी आप ज क्रूसे जड़ाया पापनी माफी देवा काजे प्रेम थी आप ज क्रूसे जड़ाया रक्तनु बिंदु आखरी वहावी आपे प्राण ज छोड्या विजय थईने जीवता उठ्या तोय धूळ मारे अमी घूम्या हेत वहावी पुरुष हुपे अनंत काल थी वरस्या अमे माटीना मानव तोय युग युग थी रे तरस्या हेत वहावी ચોપાસે છે જલધી તોય યુગ યુગથી રે ઝૂર્યા હિત વહાવી પુરુષ હુપે અનંત કાળથી કૃપાઓ પર કૃપા કીધી કૃપાઓ પર કૃપા કીધી તોય હમ આગળ ખાલી કૃપાઓ પર કૃપા કીધી પ્રભુજી આપની અમર વાણી કદી ન જાય ઠાલી અમૃત ધારા વહે છે તોય યુગ યુગથી રે તડપ્યા હિત વહાવી પુરુષ હુપે અનંત કાળથી પાપની માફી દેવા કાજે પાપની માફી દેવા કાજે પ્રેમથી આપ જ ક્રૂસે જડાયા પાપની માફી દેવા કાજે પ્રેમથી આપ જ ક્રૂસે જડાયા રક્તનું બિંદુ આખરી વહાવી આપે પ્રાણ જ છોડ્યા વિજય થઈને જીવતા